Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. I'm really glad you're here. Sit comfortably, relax your mind, and just listen. Today's story is quiet, simple, but it may stay with you for a long time. This is Storytelling Episode 18, and today's story is called The Seat That Was Always Empty. Let's begin. Every morning, at exactly 8:15, Daniel took the same bus. Same route, same driver, same passengers, and almost everything was the same. Except one thing. There was one seat, on the left side, near the window, third row from the front, that was always empty. No one sat there, not even when the bus was full. Not even when people were standing. That seat remained empty. Every single day. At first, Daniel didn't notice. He was busy, headphones on, eyes on his phone, lost in his own world. But one day, the bus was crowded. Very crowded. People were standing. Someone asked loudly, "Is anyone sitting there?" They pointed to that empty seat. No one answered. The seat stayed empty. Daniel looked at it. For the first time, he felt something strange. Why is no one sitting there? The next day, he noticed it again. Same empty seat, same silence around it. Curiosity slowly grew. One morning, Daniel decided he would sit there. As the bus arrived, he walked in, ignored his usual spot, and moved directly toward that seat. A man standing nearby looked at him. For a moment, as if he wanted to say something. But he didn't. Daniel sat down. Nothing happened. No sound. No reaction. Just a normal seat. He smiled slightly. People are just overthinking, he thought. The bus started moving. At first, everything was normal. But after a few minutes, Daniel felt uncomfortable. Not physically, but mentally. He looked around. People were quiet. Too quiet. Some of them were looking at him. Then quickly looking away. He turned toward the window, trying to ignore it. Then suddenly, he noticed something. Scratched lightly on the window glass. Very faint. Almost invisible. He leaned closer, and read it slowly. "I waited here every day." Daniel blinked, confused. He touched the glass. Cold. Still. He sat back, his heart beating slightly faster. At the next stop, an elderly woman got in. She looked at Daniel, then at the seat, and her expression changed. She slowly walked toward him, and said softly, "You're sitting there?" Daniel nodded. "Yes, why?" She paused, took a deep breath, then said, "That seat was my husband's." Daniel stayed silent. She continued, "For years, he sat there, every morning. Same time, same bus." He loved the window. Her voice became softer. "One day, he didn't come back." Silence. "He passed away," she said gently. Daniel's hands slowly tightened. The woman looked at the seat, then at him. "After that," she continued, "no one sat there." Daniel swallowed. "Not because we were afraid," she said, "but because." She paused. It felt like he was still there. The bus moved forward quietly. Daniel slowly looked at the window again. At the faint words, "I waited here every day." Suddenly, those words felt different. Not strange, not scary, but emotional. He gently stood up. Without saying anything, he offered the seat to the woman. She hesitated, then slowly sat down. She touched the window lightly, and smiled. A small, peaceful smile. Daniel moved to another spot. Standing now, but something inside him had changed. Sometimes, it's not about fear. It's about memories, about respect, about understanding that some places carry stories. Stories that are invisible, but deeply felt. And maybe that's why Some seats remain empty, not because no one wants them, but because they still belong to someone. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 18 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button, and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.